everyone, welcome back to my channel, Easy for All. I hope you all are doing safe. I hope you all are fine. I know it's been a while, but since it's summertime, I just decided to make another video. So today, I'm going to show you how to make these really delicious eggless oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. We will need 2 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 3/4 cup brown sugar, half a cup of butter, 1/4 cup of applesauce, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna mix the butter first into the bowl. And then I'm gonna mix the brown sugar. And I'm gonna beat them together with a whisk. Okay, and then we have to add the applesauce in with the mixture and beat that together. So I'm gonna add the flour and like the rest of the dry ingredients into a sieve that I have that is on top of a bowl, and that's basically to filter everything out evenly. And yeah, just add the rest of the dry ingredients except for the oats and the chocolate chips because we're gonna add those later. So I'm taking the spoon and mixing them while they fall down through the sieve. And yeah, you could tap the side of the sieve lightly and mix it just so everything falls through. So now you should mix everything together just like this. And finally, the last wet ingredient, the vanilla extract. So if you don't have like an electric whisk like this one, you can also use like a regular whisk or a spoon. It doesn't really matter. So now for the oats. So we're gonna mix the oats inside like with the rest of the ingredients, and now it should be like kind of a doughy consistency at this point. And then finally the chocolate chips. So now it's time to actually shape the cookies. So you can make them as big or small as you want. I don't like to make them too big, but it's really up to you. And I'm just making them kind of thick and like, you know, like really crunchy. If you don't want the cookies to stick, you can use a baking sheet as well. And yeah, I've laid them all out. So as you can see, the oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and it should bake for 20 minutes. So the cookies are done. Be careful while taking them out and wait for the cookies to cool down before taking them from the tray. So this is how they turned out, as you can see. I'm gonna break one cookie right now just to show you how it is. It's pretty crunchy and it's really delicious. Yeah, that's really good. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please feel free to try this at home And please feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments, and let me know how they turned out if you try these at home. And yeah, please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see y'all later.